Today we're going to be going over some news on GNUS brands. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys want 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,850, then go ahead and click the first link in the description to get signed up with WeBull. With all that out of the way, let's get into our stock for today, GNUS. So if we take a look here, GNUS brands is up 10% on the day and the volume is going crazy. And there's a few reasons for that, but the first reason that this is happening is because GNUS brands is set to join the Russell 3000 index. So if you guys didn't know, the Russell 3000 index is kind of a small cap company fund, or index, sorry, not fund, index that follows basically small cap companies. So there's usually more growth out of the Russell 3000 index than say the S&P 500. Normally, sometimes it's more volatile. It is more volatile. But here we are. So basically, they announced that they are set to join the Russell 3000 at the conclusion of the 2021 Russell Index's annual I don't know how to say that. Effective when the U.S. markets open June 28th, 2021. So basically, this is a catalyst that we should be looking forward to for GNUS brands, them being in the Russell 3000 index. That means that more people will be putting money into GNUS brands eventually. The annual Russell index captures the 4,000 largest U.S. stocks as of May 7th, ranking them by total market cap. Membership in the U.S. All Cap 3000 Index, which remains in place for 1 year, means GNUS brands will also be included in the Russell 2000 Index, as well as the appropriate growth and value indexes. So basically, Russell is getting into GNUS brands. Andy Hayward, who is the CEO of GNUS brands, commented that they are pleased to be included in the Russell 3000 and 2000 indexes, as they believe that this reflects the dramatic growth that they have seen over the past year. In particular, our recently launched tentpole brand, Stanley's Superhero Kindergarten, starring Arnold Schwarzenegger, has now surpassed 28 million views, averaging more than 4 million views per episode. That's super awesome. That means that they are doing well with their tentpole brand. And yeah, basically he goes on and basically just explains how well Cartoon Channel is doing and is experiencing rapid growth. And basically, they want this to be the Netflix for kids. And so far, they think that they are doing that. But yeah, so they look forward to building on the growth and the launch of exciting upcoming productions, such as Shaq's Garage, starring Shaquille O'Neal. I think that'll be awesome. And then with episodes available on Netflix, Amazon Prime, as well as HBO Max, we believe inclusion in the 3000 index will provide broader visibility with the global investment community as they remain laser focused in driving growth and value for shareholders. So yeah, basically the rest of it just talks about what GNUS brands is, but that is part of the reason why GNUS brands is doing so well. So I just want to come over here to the income statement and just mention some stuff. So if we do look at the quarterly income statement, they only did about $1 million in revenue in the last quarter. Now they have a lot more things going on now, and as time goes on, GNUS will be making more money because they are growing their platforms. But they only did $1 million in revenue. Now they do have, if you look at their balance sheet, the quarterly balance sheet, they do have $200 million in assets, and that is going to creating tentpole, their tentpole brand, as well as acquiring other acquiring other brands as well. Now they only have $30 million in total liabilities, and that is awesome. But the way they were able to raise all this money was through issuing new shares. Now they only issued about 40 million more shares over the last quarter, but I think they need to start slowing down on issuing new shares, just because you don't want to dilute everyone else's shares too much. Now they do have enough assets to do what they want to do, So they are looking fairly good, and a good thing is that they don't have any more debt, or like they only have about like $200,000 more in debt than they had in December 31st. So yeah, everything here looks fairly good on the balance sheet. Now we just need to start getting revenue up for GNUS brands. Also, real quick, that I wanted to mention that, you know, just because they're getting added into the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes doesn't mean for sure that they're going to, like, you know, skyrocket or anything. And they are also running today up 11% for a few reasons. You know, one of the reasons being that meme stocks are going crazy right now, and a lot of people see GNUS as a kind of meme stock brand because this is one of the stocks that actually did run in late January when we had that whole stock market craze. So yeah, this is kind of considered a meme stock. But so yeah, they are running because of the Russell index thing as well, and then also just because meme stocks are running right now. But anyways, let's get into our technical analysis. So obviously we had a huge run up today. I actually did buy some $4 calls like a month away, and that was yesterday, and I'm actually pretty happy about that right now because they are up 400%. I didn't buy too many, so I'm only up like, you know, a very little amount. But anyways, enough with me. So obviously earlier today we had a bit of a bull flag here and we broke out of it, and again we are, you know, starting to consolidate a little more over the past 20 minutes, but honestly huge volume over the past like 3 hours. We were way overbought when we were up to this level right here, but it's looking like we might make new support at about $2.11, and we have a resistance at $2.28. So yeah, we are bouncing between $2.11 and $2.28, and that's really a level we need to you know, look out for. We have started trending down on the MACD, the blue line crossing under the yellow line, and the RSI is now at about 60, so it's not too bad of a level. But obviously when you have a big run like this, you know, you just gotta come back down and correct before you can make your next leg up. What we're looking for GNUS brands to make that next leg up is for it to break out of this $2.28. And if it does do that, then 1 second, we gotta scroll out here. We will be looking for it to make its way back up to about $2.42, and then if it can make it above this resistance level, about $2.77, we could be returning to highs of about $3. So yeah, really it's can they break out of this $2.27? Can they make it to that next level? And then $3 would be after that. Obviously this is a 3-minute chart, and we are really consolidating over the past, you know, 20-30 minutes, and we are trending down on the MACD. How far are we going to trend down though? I think we make new support at about $2.11, $2.12, and we'll have that resistance of $2.28 to be looking at. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today. Thank you guys all for watching. Make sure you check out the links in the description to get some free stuff or learn how to start investing in the stock market. But my name's Zach. I'll see you in the next video.